Hello, Gary here. I started doing woodworking and wanted a low cost entry tool or tool set and chose Ryobi. I've had them for about a year now and I thought it was a good time to review how effective they are. I'm going to start with a series of them, starting with let me just check the serial number, the MS255SCL 255mm compound sliding miter saw. As you can see, the wood chippings in places and stuff. It needs a bit of a clean. Overall assessment of this machine, I've struggled with the alignment and the squareness of the cut and getting things lined up. The measuring systems are not 100% accurate, so you do need a square. If you look inside there, you can see it sitting on the 0, but we still get an offset cut, and the same applies to the compound or the miter saw component. You have full 45 degree cuts. Anything in between that and 45 on the compound saw. You have a laser light for accurate laser cutting. As you can see, that's well burnt. That lasted about 2 months and gave up the ghost. I think quickly followed by the lights on the system. The other thing is, as you can see, one of the clamp bolts or housings is sheared off completely. Seems to be very brittle. So you can make multiple cuts and it served its purpose. I wouldn't rate it as being a precise tool. It's clearly a step below the other brands on the market, but as an all-purpose tool for what I like to do and what I'm doing, it suffices. All the bench work, as you can see around here, has been done with this miter saw. I will say that the rip saw blade that comes in with it probably have a higher tooth count to get a smoother cut. The other big issue with this machine, if you slide it back, it doesn't cut right into the end, as you can see. So you've got to put a spacer in against these bars to keep it away so you get a clear cut on the machine. Overall, powerful enough, serves a purpose for an entry-level sliding compound miter saw. The engineering on this machine perhaps could be enhanced, made a bit more robust, but generally good value for money. If I had to rate the machine out of 10, I'd give it a 7. I would have liked the laser to work continuously and the lights. I would have liked a bit more precision on the cutting. So if you're into do-it-yourself carpentry, machine works perfectly adequately for that, and it's well priced. If anybody's got any comments on this particular machine, just drop them below in the comments section. Love to hear from you. Got any suggestions how to improve the accuracy of the cuts and the alignment of the machine? Also would appreciate that. Love you to subscribe to my channel, so if you like, click the like button and subscribe, and I'll follow up with a couple of more tool evaluations: orbital sander, mouse sander, the lithium ion drills, and the Ryobi table saw, just to name a few. Thanks for watching. Look forward to your comments.